Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide pictures in gallery on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Firstly, go into the gallery. Now tap on the picture that you would like to edit. Tap on the three dots that you would like to hide. Now tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. And now tap on Add to Album and Private Album. Okay. Now we have to set up a privacy protection password. So let's do a pattern. Next. Not now. Now we can go into albums. Now you have to scroll down and hold it, and now release to open a hidden folder. Now tap on OK. Cancel. Now type in your password that you have set up previously, and here is our picture. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.